This is my 2001 Volkswagen T4 1.9 TD, and in today's video we're going to show you how to replace the powered steering belt. If you're having problems with your powered steering getting stiff, especially in the wet, it's probably the belt slipping. This is how you fix it. Let's get into it. Jack up this corner here, get it up in the air and stick an axle stand under the subframe. Once it's up in the air, you get the axle stand under the subframe, and this here is what we want to work on. That is the powered steering pump. And to change the belt, mine's quite loose, you need to undo these bolts. Okay? Now I've replaced some of mine with these here because my other one's rounded off, so these are a bit different, but yeah, you'll need to undo these bolts and then you need to figure out the shims, and I'll show you that as we go. The engine is going to move when you try and undo these, and that will try and move. So you have to also try and stop this moving. What I do is get a pair of mile grips, just clamp it on there, just like that. It stops the wheel from moving. You can usually, there we go, get them undone. I've actually replaced these bolts with these. Normally it's 4 Allen key heads. They tend to round off though, which are a pain in the arse. There we go. They're undone. I can remove that, take these out. On the outside of here there is these little shims. What you do is, when your belt is getting loose and it starts slipping, instead of changing the belt, you can actually move the shims from the inside here to the outside, and that pulls this plate in more, lifting the belt further out and tightening the belt. Just like that. Grab these shims. I'll take this off, and then you just lift the belt off. Right. Leave that on. I'll get the new belt. I'll put the new belt around there. Now I'm going to put these shims, I have to line them up because otherwise it'll be a nightmare to get. The easiest way to do this is to put these through. Right, so now I've gone for only 2 shims on the inside and the rest on the outside. Where's the, oh, there it is. Has that gone through all the shims? Is that taken? Yes, right. Let's move this round to here and get this other bolt in. Clamp that on there. Stop it moving while I tighten. There we go. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Now then. Then we'll start the engine and see if that's all right. That seems perfect now. I can still twist it. I can still give it a good twist. It's still, you know, there's still some movement in it, but it's definitely tight. Ain't going nowhere. No more power steering slip. Okay. And there we have it. That is how you change a powered steering pump belt on a Volkswagen T4 1.9 TD. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out some of my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.